Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing the sound recorder and powering it up. Do this now so you catch early EVPs. Once it shows a recording LED or indicator, place it on the floor close to likely ghost paths like doorways, stairwells, or bedrooms. Make sure the battery level is sufficient. If low, swap batteries before entry. You want direct line of sight to the area, but avoid placing it in corners where sounds muffle. This first action maximizes your chance of capturing initial responses. Once done placing the recorder, you need to provoke responses. Ask clear, short questions directed at the ghost, then step away to reduce your vocal interference. Make sure to use the game's microphone or press talk to trigger interaction and watch the recorder for audio spikes. Stay quiet and patrol other rooms. Ghosts are likelier to answer when you are out of earshot. If the sound meter jumps, pause and let it record. Later review the file for clear EVPs in the truck. You finish by retrieving the recorder and immediately playing it back in the van to confirm any EVPs. This avoids in-field misinterpretation. If you find a clear response, mark it in your journal and cross-reference with other evidence like EMF or freezing temps. If playback is silent, make sure the device was powered and not obstructed, then redeploy in a different location or replace the battery. Remember, moving a meter 13 meters can change detection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.